y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? I am super excited for this video. I've been waiting for this moment for like 5 years or so. Just like y'all have been waiting for me to launch a product line, I've been waiting for the GOAT, the queen of Ayurveda, Curly Proverbz. She finally launched a hair care line, and of course I had to go out and support. She has really inspired me on this journey. If you've heard me talk about Ayurveda, I give it all to Curly Proverbz. She is literally a godsend, okay? The natural hair gods put her on this earth to really save us all. To save our hairline, to save our edges, to save our kitchen, to save our bald spots in the center, everything. I want to say congratulations, Farida. I know it's been a long time coming, and I wish you and your business the very best. Anyway, I have the mask right here. I've already made it, so let me show you how I whipped it up, and then it's time to apply. Curly Proverbz launched 3 products 2 weeks ago, but I was most excited about this one. This one is the henna and aloe mask. It contains henna powder, aloe vera powder, FENUGREEK powder, and slippery elm bark powder. I will leave the benefits of 4 of these powders down below just to save time, but they're bomb, just know that. I'm going in with 4 heaping teaspoons of the powder. Curly Proverbz suggests going in with 1 to 3 teaspoons, but y'all know I'm a bit extra, so I went in with a teaspoon more. I later had to add a bit more powder, but we'll talk about that in a second. Now I'm going in with 5 ounces or a little more than half a cup of aloe vera gel. This is homemade aloe vera gel. You make it by literally blending the whole plant. That's it, super simple. You can also use a store-bought version, and I will link everything down below. Because of the FENUGREEK powder, this mask doubles in size, so a little does go a long way. I ended up adding 3 ounces of water just to thin it out a bit. You can use the mask by itself, but I wanted to do more of a gloss, so I did go in with 8 ounces of deep conditioner. And this is literally an extra step that you don't have to do. I did go in with 2 tablespoons of my hair growth oil. I like using my hair growth oil. It's given me a lot of benefits over the years, so I went in with 2 tablespoons of it. I did use a super thick deep conditioner, so I needed a bit more water. I'm going in with 4 more ounces of water. Add more or less water depending on the consistency that you want. And this is what the consistency is looking like so far. It was kind of chunky-ish and it wasn't getting smooth, so I pulled out my immersion blender and I gave it a nice mix. This is what the mixture is looking like after I mixed it up. It's beautiful, but it is a bit too thin for me. So the next day I went in with 4 more heaping teaspoons of powder just to thicken it a bit. I will leave my full recipe down below and you can adjust it based on your hair density and your length. I am really just so excited. Okay, let's get started. So I did wash my hair, and a full wash day will be coming soon, but I did do a shampoo and a condition. I've been air drying my hair for about an hour now. Y'all know how I do. I like to apply products on damp hair. It just works better for me. As always, I'm starting with a small section in the back. I just like keeping my hair nice and separated, and working in small sections just allows me to get product on every single strand. I treat my hair like GW, no strands left behind. This is what my hair is looking like. Yes, yes, yes. Growing nice and long. So this is what it's looking like. Kind of bright, but it's okay. Rub it together. It does have a bit of grit, but that's normal. It's a herbal treatment. It's not, you know, it's not a regular conditioner. Okay. Feels good. It does have henna as a main ingredient, so your hair is not going to feel super soft on application, but just trust the process. I'm loving it. And because of the slippery elm, it's just gliding on almost like a gel. It's really great. Love it. It just feels so, like, can y'all see how it's gliding on? It does have a bit of slip, but I wouldn't use this to detangle because that's crazy. Wow. I probably should have worn gloves because henna can stain, but it's too late now. So we just gonna forge ahead. Alright y'all, I'm done applying the product. This is what it looks like. My hair does feel a bit strengthened, so it's not super soft, but again, trust the process. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a full 360, and then I'm going to sit under my hair steamer for 40 minutes. If you've never sat under a steamer with your Ayurvedic Indian herbal treatments, sis, what you waiting for? Literally game changing. I will link my steamer down below, but I love going under my steamer with these treatments. It just really helps the treatment to get into my hair, fortify and soften my hair. It's love. It is love. It is where the money resides energy, okay? Anyway, let me get under my steamer and I'll be back with my final thoughts. After 40 minutes under my steamer, this is what my hair looks like. It feels strong, but it doesn't feel hard and brittle, and that's what I like. I rinse the mixture out with warm water. That's what I always do. I always use warm water. I have low porosity hair, and warm water just works best for me. This mask rinsed out pretty good, but aloe vera, at least in my hair, tends to leave a bit of residue regardless of what I do, but I'm going to show you in a second what I do to help combat that. I then split my hair into 4 sections just to get into my hair and make sure I get all the powder out. Look how nice and shiny and beautiful my hair looks. Like, look how good my hair looks, y'all. Farida, you did that. Now I'm going in with a cheapy rinse out conditioner. I'm using my favorite from Herbal Essences. And I'm going in and conditioning my hair. I like going in with a rinse out conditioner after an herbal treatment because it helps to restore the moisture back into my hair. Ayurveda and Indian hair growth treatments strengthen the hair, they fortify the hair, but they don't always condition and soften the hair. So I like going in with a commercial rinse out conditioner to help restore the moisture. And yes, my hands are orange. They're still orange hours later. So do better than me, be better than me, and please use gloves when using henna. As soon as the conditioner touched my hair and I worked it throughout my strands, the moisture and softness came right back. And that's why I told you, you have to trust the process. It may seem scary and it may make you feel uneasy, but once you follow through, you're going to have amazing hair in the end. I can see with extended use that it's really going to help me achieve booty crack length, or in the words of Farida, beast mode hair growth. If you were on the fence and you were unsure, get off the fence, get on your computer, get on your cell phone, go to the website, it will be linked down below, and support our girl. Y'all, this mask was so good. This mask was so good. My hair feels so good right now. I moisturized and did my LOC method. And when I say my hair is soft, my hair is soft. For those of you who don't want to buy separate powders, and it kind of overwhelms you to buy fenugreek and buy this powder and buy this powder and mix them all together, Farida gives us 4 powders in one. 4 amazing powders that are great for the hair. I honestly recommend this product. It is so bomb. She's done so much for the natural hair community. She has shared selflessly over the years, and I thank her so much for being a true inspiration. Once again, congratulations, Farida. This mask was so bomb. I'm sure the other products are just as dope. You really did that. You can tell that you put your all into it. You put thought and love into it. And I thank you so much. Y'all check her out. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.